One thing you should know about payroll: don't switch it in the middle of the year. Don't switch it in the middle of the quarter. If you're going to switch it, wait until the end of the year. If you're going to switch it urgently, wait until the end of the quarter. This is a serious problem for your payroll. See, whenever you process a paycheck, the payroll company deposits your total collected to the IRS either on a quarterly or on annually. So let's say you process the payroll for January and February, and then switched the payroll company and process the other company in March. Well, you have a problem because your 941, the form that's required to be reported at the end of that quarter, now has a gap. One company is reporting one thing, another company is reporting another thing, and they will not be matching up. In that case, you really have a serious problem and it's time to talk to an accountant to make those corrections. It's a manually corrections. Literally, you have to manually print out the 941 and correct it. Otherwise, you screwed up. So the Social Security Department has the wrong numbers. The IRS has the wrong numbers. Medicare, Medicaid, a bunch of people have different wrong numbers. So I would say, if you're going to switch your payroll company, switch it at the end of the year, January 1st, before you process a single payroll. Everything you have done previous year stops there. A new reporting takes place in January 1st. Okay? If you're a new company, don't go to big payroll companies. You can go to in QuickBooks. Intuit QuickBooks is a good for a small payroll company. It doesn't cost a lot of money. It's very easy to process. They also submit your tax forms and your tax withholdings every payroll. And by the way, you need to do that every payroll. You need to submit the money that you retained from your workers, not your money. You're just holding until someone takes it to the proper authority, IRS. Okay, so be very careful messing around with payroll. When you have a company and you mess around the payroll, you personally are liable for it. You go to prison for fucking around. Don't let the payroll people take the money out of your bank automatically and then deposit to the authority. And at the end of the 3 month quarter, let them file the forms, the 941s and the state forms that they need to file.